welcome back. So today I'm going to do a little tour of our what we call conservatory. If you're new to the channel, the conservatory is our, basically, Gracie, my daughter, she's 7, it's her playroom. But I do like to sit in there sometimes when the weather's nice, you know, when it's not too cold. And, you know, if I've ever got friends around, sometimes it's nice just to have a change of scenery. So we kind of use it as a second reception room and Gracie's playroom, but it's mainly Gracie's playroom, especially in the winter, because we just sit in the lounge, obviously, because it's, you know, on an evening, because it's warmer. So yeah, so I just thought I'd do you a little tour if you're interested. There's a few good storage ideas as well, if you've got children yourself and you're looking for a good way to store the toys. IKEA have got some brilliant like storage solution, which I'm sure most of you know about, but I will try and link below any that I show in the video. Gracie's with her dad at the minute, so I've had a good clean out of Connie since Christmas. This is New Year's Eve today. I hope you had a good New Year. Anyway, I'm not going to speak anymore, apart from to say, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and give the little bell a ring. And comment below if you enjoy this video, please. Thank you very much. If you're already subscribed, thanks for coming back and supporting our channel. It means a lot. This year I want to try and get to, I don't know, what's an acceptable, at the minute I'm at 240 subscribers, I think, and that is on the 31st of December. So by next December, I mean, the ultimate goal would be like 1,000, but I think that's a little bit high in the sky. Maybe, I don't know, I was gonna say 500, but I'd like 500 by the summer. Maybe that could be my goal. 500 subs by the summer. Yeah. Can you help me, please? Thanks. Thanks very much. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna play the video, hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, so when you come in the room, this is sort of the overview. Ignore the cat. That sofa is one that I got off my friend when I moved into this house. It was a corner one and it's gradually got smaller, like we've taken bits apart because it was just too big. And it came with, like, the leather was peeling off, which has attracted the cats to also scratch at it, which is not good. So anyway, basically, long story short, I have just ordered a new sofa bed because it's handy then for sleepovers and stuff, and that should be coming in about, I think it's about 5 or 6 weeks. So ignore the state of that at the minute. That won't always be there. So yeah, we've got all these Kallax units, which I absolutely love, from IKEA. I'm sure you all know about the Kallax units. So I'll just sort of start. We've got Gracie's little, I think it's a killer whale that she made ages ago. I've got my Elvis clock there. And then the other side of the door is her little kitchen. So she's got, these I got from IKEA as well. There's 4 little sets, which she, well, she got them for Christmas, so she's only just, you know, had them, but she does love them. And then in here, she's got her little pizza. And then in here is just like china bits. It's like, yeah, so all the little china teapots and cups and everything, cups and saucers. By the way, it's not normally this tidy. Grace is actually with her dad today, so I've tidied up beforehand. And then in here she's got all her food, all her play food, which she loves. She loves to play with all these. Can't remember where these are all from. I know my friend got her these ones from Amazon last year, or it might have been for her birthday. But you can get these sort of wooden play sets anywhere really. And then this is like a little lunchbox one as well, which she loves to do with her dolls. She likes to pretend that they've got their pack up for nursery and stuff. Next to there, she's just got her baby Annabelle wardrobe set. I'll just show you. She hadn't had this out for a while actually, but it basically, it just opens out and you can have you can hang all your clothes up in there and everything. And then this comes out to be a cot, which is really cute. It is a really cute little thing. Most of her baby clothes, you'll see in a minute though, we store in the donor boxes because it's just easier to get to them quicker. There's a little cat hammock there. I bought that for the cats. Neither one of them go on it, but Gracie uses it as a bed for her babies. So yeah, so that's that little corner behind the door. And then if we go over here, I want to get some sort of blanket or something a bit nicer to go on here. But this is just going to be a place where she can put all her dolls when she's not playing with them, and she can also use it as a bit of a changing table. She has got a changing mat there. It's a real baby changing mat. And then she's got a Sylvanian house in there with a magic hat. Just conveniently sits in there. I got a label maker the other day and I'm absolutely obsessed. So yeah, I've gone a bit label crazy, as you'll see. So this is just random toys. It's a bit empty. Magic set in there that she got for Christmas. Hello, do you want to go in? It was pretty empty at the minute because I thought I'll leave one so that she can put some of her new toys in there once she gets them out of the boxes and stuff. Then she's got this little set, which if you watched my haul, I'll link it below. You'll have seen these. These are brilliant. This is her little makeup bag, so she's got little bits of makeup in there. And then we've got some DVDs behind there, and a tent, the castle part that goes on top of her tent, because all the DVDs wouldn't fit. Yeah, so I have gone a little bit crazy. But isn't that so cute? So I'll just quickly show you. So she's got, in the top one, little nail polishes and nail files and stuff. Not that she uses them much really, but oh, she's got all her jewellery bits in here and like little smelly perfumes and stuff. And then in this one it is like sort of like a memory box, special things. She's a typical girl, she loves collecting all these little things. So it's nice to have a box to put them in, like cards that she's been given and stuff at the bottom there. These 50p's her dad collected for her, so she's got so they're the Peter Rabbit collectible ones, so she's got them. Oh, a Jemima Puddle Duck one there. Yeah, and basically just some, oh, that's not meant to be in there. Some random little bits that she's collected over the years, and I'm sure this is going to get bigger and bigger as she goes along. Random little snail shell that she's probably bought from some gift shop. So yeah, so that's them. So it's just a bit neater rather than having all those random bits in, you know, one of these big boxes, and she never plays with them. She'd never find them. It's easier so that she knows where to put them, and then she knows where they are if she wants to get them out and have a look. So that's them. Just put that back in there. This one, Polly Pocket and Doll's House stuff. That's like her bigger Polly Pocket cars and houses and bits and bobs, and bits for the Sylvanian as well, Sylvanian house. In this one we've got random bags and a spare box because she loves bags. Oh, she's obsessed with all different types of bags, so I thought I'll dedicate a drawer where she can shove them all in. So here, these are the Cuggies, I think, from IKEA. So these are really good actually. She's got little toys in there. Pull them out for you. So she's got all her Sylvanians and Polly Pockets in there. And then all her, like I say, she likes collecting loads of little things. She doesn't really play with these much at all, but she does occasionally like to have a look at them also. She's got all her little squishies and little figures and stuff like that. So it's just a nice place to be able to put them again. Store them away nicely. I'm going to have to stand up. Oh! Random toys, so that's just self-explanatory. It's just random other toys that don't really have a category. Baby things in here. She's got a few drawers for her babies. She's got soft toys in here, so like all the little toy doggies and things like that, which she's got a lot of. They're all in there. This shelf's a bit random at the minute. That's her Lego box. What's in here? I haven't labelled it. Oh, that's her memory box things for my mum that we're going to transfer into the other box that you'll have seen if you watch my haul. So that's that. And then that's her little jewellery box that she's got. What's she got in there? Aqua beads in there. That's her tablet. Go up here, we've got her tent and blankets, and there's also some Wii stuff in there because we've just got a Wii off my friend, and I need to get a new cable for it, so I've just got them up there until I've sorted that. But yeah, that's just like spare blankets and stuff. These are her teacher drawers. I'm not going to go in there because they are jam-packed with, this is what she plays with all the time. All her books for her students and pens and all sorts of things. Creative box, so all sort of crafty, loom bands. That's like a canvas thing that Amy got her for Christmas. Pom-pom kits, all sorts of things like that. Another random toys box there. This is basically another box for all her teacher stuff, because she's got so much, and once she gets going she has loads of stuff, and it doesn't all fit in there, so that's just another one. If she's got stuff and doesn't know where to put it, she can put it in there. In here it's sort of games, puzzles, things like that. This is a little toy that she got for Christmas. It grows or something, I don't know, I think it's off. Oh yeah, so that's there with the instructions still. She's got a baby in there. That one at the bottom there is craft stuff, so it's basically like the top. It's just got tissue paper and everything in that. A little baby carrier in there. Another baby's drawer, so that's all her baby clothes. More baby clothes, see what I mean? She's got, there might be some soft babies in there as well as clothes. This one, I labelled this mummy things and bags. So it's all her bits and bobs, purses, hairbrushes, shopping basket, bags for when she's playing with her babies and stuff. And then we've got Ruby in here, which I'm sure you've all met. So she's in there. Do you want your dummy, Ruby? Yes. I think is that all of it? I think that's all of the Kallax unit. I've got my cat scratcher there, her cot there. And then we've got the TV up there with the Wii and her other Sylvanian house that doesn't fit in any of the drawers. So these lights look really cute on an evening. I'll have to insert a little video of that. And then we've just got some family photos up there and a canvas that Gracie did and some pictures. We've got my little fire there with her little money box that she made and a little wax melt burner. Some photos of Josh when he was little, bless him. This is actually, obviously it looks like a beanbag, but it's a storage bag. So you can shove all your soft toys, all stuffed toys and blankets and stuff in there. So it's a place to store them, and obviously you can double it up as a spare seat or beanbag or whatever. So it's a really good buy actually. If I can find where I got it from, I'll link it below. I think it was Amazon. So here I've told you about the sofa. That's just my little clothes horse that because I dry clothes in here. You'll have seen this. I can't remember what video this was in, but this was from Next. I got it in a sale. So she's got all her books down here. It's really good actually. You fit loads in. DVDs, more books, and more books because she's got a lot of books. So it's a handy little coffee table and storage table at the same time. Baby in a pram. And then I did this so that it sort of sections the room off a bit, because I had this spare one after buying the bigger Kallax. And I don't think it looks too bad actually. So at the minute she ain't got, I don't think she's got anything in there. No, we need to sort that. I've got a cat bed coming that's going to fit in here. So I'm leaving one spare for that. This is her teacher trolley that you'll have seen on our Christmas video that Amy got her which is lovely. She's absolutely loving that. Got all sorts, pens, books, registers, paints, everything. She's got her baby in here in a bed that she also got for Christmas. So then she'll probably end up putting more teacher stuff and random stuff in there. But yeah, this is just her little teacher corner basically. I've got my little air diffuser there. I'll insert a video of that as well. It looks really nice on an evening. And then underneath there she's just got some other presents that she's not opened yet. You know, toys and stuff that are still in the boxes. And then her whiteboard, which she absolutely loves. So yeah, that is everything, I think. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.